Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to find out how strong are different types of ratchets. Ratchet, those things there. And we have really nice setup. I have my torque tester 5 million test bench there over the force sensor, and that doesn't spin. Push from here, this is going to brake, and this is going to measure how much force we are using, and then I can multiply that force with this distance and get the torque that we are applying here. And that's how we are going to find out which is the best and how bad are the rest. Yeah, I think we are going to start with this one. Almost 45 euros, and it's on half-inch category. Okay. 5 more. What? It tried to kill us. It was this red thing from there on front of that. Really cool start. Yeah, 400 kilos. Okay, and then the next one is the same again. It still works. I thought that we broke it because the force started to go down, but it still works, so second round. Okay, then the next one. Okay, 20 centimeters, and this is much cheaper, but it's also much nicer brand. This is the most high quality tool brand in Scandinavia, so I have high hopes. I'm going to say that this is 1 ton. And I have to say that the mechanism feels looser, and the gaps between each thing are larger. So it's clearly built for strength. Okay. Hey, it's going to win! This is just the weakest point. And it's pretty easy to make the actual mechanism stronger than the thing that is connecting this to the socket. Okay, one more at this size. This is also pretty cheap, and if this goes also at the 400, then these are all the same. The weakest point is the holding thing. Okay, this was a bit weaker, but the failure point is still the same, and I think they can use pretty much the same material no matter the price point on this specific part. So at the half-inch size, price doesn't matter, it's all the same. Okay, since the basic ratchets are all the same in terms of strength, we are going to start to test some weirder ones. And this is quite limited on its length and size, but it's has good technique. This is stepless one. It gets stuck on all the points and it doesn't make any sound. And I assume it has to be weaker because of that. Okay, how much was it? It's about 10 centimeters, so that's not very much, I have to say. The press just had 20 centimeters and now just 10, so that's quite different. Okay, let's see, can 10 centimeters satisfy our press? Just the tip. what the hell? Okay, 50 kilos. Oh! What? 50 meter! Oh yeah, hey. It's shorter, so it's like different. Okay, I first got really excited that we have new winner, but I forgot that it's so short. But even without any calculations, it's easy to say that the maximum torque is going to be pretty much the same, because it was again this that broke. So the actual mechanism on this is very good, because there isn't any steps, work at all the points, but just as strong as the other ones. Okay, then we have this magnificent thing, and check out, it can do this. Pretty nice. But how strong it is, that's the question. Okay, then let's try this size. It's 1/4 inch, the attaching thing. So is it again going to be that part that breaks, or is the mechanism weaker on this size? Okay, and then the last one, and if this doesn't win, I'm surprised. I think it's going to do like 1,500 kilos. I think this might be the first one where the actual mechanism failed on this one. Yeah, but I think the like result of the video is that the same size ratchets are the same strength. You can buy the one that looks the nicest and feels good on your hand. Yeah, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.